back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track retainers and drawdowns for client projects in FreshBooks. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to track retainers and drawdowns for client projects in FreshBooks, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your FreshBook. Once you're opening your FreshBook, you can know that FreshBook has a built-in retainer feature that is available on the Plus, Premium, and selected plans, which allows you to simply bill a client fixed amount upfront and track time against that balance. So for this, you need to have a Plus account or a Premium account that you can purchase. So if you're using a free account, you cannot do so. Once you have simply gotten the Plus or the Premium version, you can navigate to the retainer, select a client, define the term, and set excess rates, which is optional, and then configure your invoicing and hit the save button. So if you want to track if you want to track the drawdowns, you can simply go to projects and you can simply know the client's name, or by individual time entry you can navigate it, monitor, and report it as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.